The online gaming industry in India has seen massive growth in the last 10 years and is expected to grow to $5 billion by 2025. The use of online gaming platforms, including card gaming platforms, battlegrounds, sporting games, and quizzes, has resulted in offering real money to its players. Last year, the three bodies of the online gaming industry, namely, the E-Gaming Federation, EGF, Federation of Indian Fantasy Sports, FIFS, and All India Gaming Federation, AIGF, approached the Central Board of Direct Taxes, CBDT, to reconsider TDS regime changes that have been effective from the 1st to April 2023. Hence, this article will give you in-depth information about India's online gaming industry, its taxation policies, and any potential adjustments. Plan early and get ahead for next year's savings. Use tax calculator and get your taxes estimates in minutes as per new budget. Calculate now tax on winnings from online games. The CBDT provided clarification on TDS applicability via circular and notification dated May 22, 2023. Online gaming organizations must deduct TDS at the rate of 30% on any winnings drawn by a user from winning online games if it exceeds the threshold of 10,000 rupees. The threshold of 10,000 rupees was applicable only till the financial year 2022-23 as per Finance Bill 2023. Sections 115 BBJ and 194 BA have been introduced to tax the user's winnings on different gaming platforms. Under Section 115 BBJ, income tax would be charged on net winnings for the previous fiscal year at a rate of 30%. Section 194BA mainly deals with TDS applicable on net winnings in the user's gaming account at the end of the fiscal year. So, your net winnings from online gaming platforms at the end of a fiscal year would be taxed at 30%. Net winnings equals A, B plus C, where A equals amount withdrawn from the user account. B equals aggregate amount of deposits made in the account by the user until the time of withdrawal. C equals opening balance of the user account at the start of the financial year. Example of online gaming tax. Suppose you have paid 1,000 rupees as an entry fee to enter an online game and won 40,000 rupees from that. In such a case, the gaming firm will deduct your TDS on 39,000 rupees, 40,000 rupees, 1,000 rupees, at 30%. Therefore, you will have to pay a tax of 11,700 rupees, which will get deposited to the government, and the remaining balance of 27,300 rupees will be credited into your account as your income from the win. Basis of revenue collection and their chargeability. Some of the key sources of collecting revenue through online gaming and the applicability of tax policy on them are discussed below. Contest entry amount, C, and gross gaming revenue. Currently, GST is levied at 28% on the total value of bets placed and not on the gross gaming revenue, both skill-based and chance-based. Earlier, GST was levied on the gross gaming revenue, GGR. The applicable rate in the case of game of chance was 28%, and for games of skill, it was 18%. According to the co-founder of Winzo Games, Samawa Singh Rathore, the online gaming industry has the potential to become a big part of the Indian economy, but enforcing 28% GST will hamper the overall growth of the online gaming industry. Winning real money from online games. Different online gaming platforms such as Ludo Empire, Dream 11 and others provide a chance to win real money for players. This income is taxable under the heading of income from other sources under sections 115 BBJ and 194 BA. Winners are taxed at the flat rate of 30%, irrespective of any threshold. Distribution during gaming tournaments. Winnings from different gaming tournaments are either in the form of cash or gift prize. As per the income tax law, these winnings are treated as winnings from online games and taxed at 30% under the head, income from other sources. Referral and joining bonuses. In case where such deposit is only for the purpose of playing and cannot be withdrawn for any other purpose, such deposits should be ignored for the calculation of net winnings. However, if this amount is recharacterized and allowed to be withdrawn, then it should be treated as a taxable deposit and will be the part of net winnings for that particular year. Comparison of old and new provisions on online gaming taxation.